Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another quick update on the Tigard Oregon real estate market. This update is going to cover the last 6 weeks of market activity, ending this past Sunday, May 22nd. So I'm going to share my screen with you, as I always do, and go through the info with you. So this last week in Tigard, I showed that we had 54 homes come on the market, which you can kind of see is a high over the past 6 weeks here, the blue bars. And then as well, the total listings as of the end of the week came in at 101 listings, which is a pretty significant increase over this past week. So certainly had been more things coming on the market, and as we'll see, things not going pending as quickly. So median price and days on market for the actives, we can kind of see that we had a new high for the 6 weeks in terms of the price at 695,000. Up significantly over the prior weeks. Moving on to pending sales. So as I was mentioning, pendings have been holding steady at right around 30, 31 a month, but with increased homes coming on the market, the pendings are not quite keeping up with new things coming on the market. So that's certainly kind of something to keep in mind here as we move forward. End of the week at 162 homes in total on the market, which is just up a couple from the prior week. The median price and days on market for the pendings, we were at 611,000 this week, same as the prior week, kind of matching a low over the 6 weeks here. And then days on market been super consistent, right at 5 days on average of average market time for the pendings. And then moving on to the sold listing activity. So as of the time I put this together, I showed that we had 20 homes go from pending to sold this last week in Tigard, which is a slight low for the 6 week period here. And then when I look back over the prior month of activity, or the last 4 weeks, had 116 homes close in Tigard, which is again a low for the 6 weeks. And then the median price and days on market for the solds have been steadily increasing here over this past month. End of the week last week at 675,000, up a couple thousand from the prior week. And again, days on market, very, very steady at 4. And then lastly, we'll look at the weeks of inventory and the sale price as a percent of the original list price. Red bars is weeks of inventory. And you can kind of see we have been, going up over this past 6 weeks, hitting 3.5 weeks of inventory this last week as a result of, more homes kind of coming on the market and a slowdown in the number of pending and closed sales, as we talked about. So, this number is still, historically speaking, for very low. Certainly kind of remains a seller's market with less than a month of inventory. But certainly, I think kind of the winds of change are out there in the market a little bit, and things are not selling quite as quickly. Prices, at least at this point in time, are continuing to hold. You can kind of see it's been very steady between like 106, 107% of the original asking price. Came in at 106.5 this last week. So, prices are still very strong, very competitive market, but we are starting to see things kind of soften a little bit, at least in terms of inventory, which is certainly not all bad. Hopefully it'll bring a little bit more balance into the market, which I'm sure buyers would rejoice. So I hope this update has been helpful to you. I certainly would welcome the opportunity to become your trusted realtor and help you move through life. So just give me a call at 503-680-2065, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions that you have about kind of what's happening in the market and how I can be of any help. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.